It's so shiny!
I know! It's magnificent!
I bet you can't wait to take it to the park.
What about today? We could go on a family ride.
Yes, it's sunny and dry. If we stick to the cycle paths, I should be able to keep my bike just as shiny and new as it is now.
Yay!
Better steer clear of the potholes as well. Oh, and the bumps in the road.
Maya's now on her way to the park on a family bike ride, and it's the perfect day for it.
This is going to be the best bicycle ride ever.
Yes, I think you're right, Maya.
Ah, here's Mama Help with her very shiny fire truck.
That's a lovely bicycle you got there, Dada Go.
Thank you. It's new. Brand new.
It looks it. Enjoy your cycle.
Bye.
It's raining.
Oh, but I can't get my bike wet.
It's only a light shower.
That's true. Oh, it'll be easy to wipe away a few drops of rain. This wasn't in the weather forecast.
I think it's stopping, Dada.
Oh yes, it's brightened up, and everyone's enjoying the bicycle ride again. Phew!
Whee!
Oh, puddle. We'd better go round it.
Nicely done, Dada Go.
Best bicycle ride ever.
No!
Splishy splashy.
My bike!